So we're looking at this problem, and it says, at noon, the temperature was 80 degrees. Then at 3 o'clock, Martin is going to check the thermometer to see if the temperature has changed. And we want to know, what did he read? So here is our thermometer right here. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our pencil and we are going to mark off where the line is, where they're going to have a dark line here. You want to mark it off so that you are able to figure out where you're going to stop. So we're going to mark it like this. And then we're going to look here and try and figure out how they're counting. So if I start at 0 and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, does this line say 4? No, it does not. So that means I'm not counting by ones, I must be counting by fives. So I'm going to try it. 5, 10, 15, 20. Does it match?
Yes.
Yes, it does. So I'm going to keep going. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 80, 85. And I'm going to mark somewhere on my thermometer, I'm going to mark 85. And can I just write 85? No, because it's not just 85, it is 85 degrees. I have to label it so that I know what I'm talking about. So at 3 o'clock, he checked his thermometer and we counted 85 degrees. Now we're going to match. Does A match?
Yes.
Maybe. What about B? Does B match? No, it does not. Does C match? No, it does not. Does D match? No, it does not. So my answer is 85. Now some of our questions are going to have a second part, and it's going to ask, did the temperature increase or decrease? What does increase mean? It means it got bigger. If it decreased, it got smaller. So I have to go back to my problem and see what the original temperature was. It was 80 degrees, and now it's 85. Did my temperature increase? Did it get bigger? Or did it decrease? Did it get smaller? I started at 80, and now I'm at 85. Did I increase or decrease? Increase. Very good. It got hotter. It went from 80 to 85, so I'm getting bigger. Okay, one more. Let's look at this one. This says the temperature Steve read on his thermometer is 95 degrees. I want to know which one of these shows me 95 degrees. So what am I looking for? 95 degrees. I am going to have to label each thermometer. So what's the first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to go and I'm going to draw my line and make sure that it's big enough for you to see. If you just go like this, can you see that? No, you want to draw so that you are able to see where to stop. Okay, so then again, I'm going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it match? No, so I'm going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So I'm going to label it 95. Am I just going to leave 95?
No.
I'm going to put degrees. Okay. Now here's something else you can do. If you figure out that you're counting by fives, do I need to start all the way down here and go 5, 10, all the way up?
No.
No, I could start here at 80. See, some of the lines are darker than the others. Let me zoom in and show you. Okay, if you look, this line, let's see if it'll focus in for us. This line for 60 is thicker and darker than this line for 55. So I can start here at 80 because I know that this is 80. I can go 80, 85, 90. So this would be 90 degrees. So you need to decide which way you are more comfortable with, counting all the way up or just starting at the number that's closest. So right here, I'm going to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So I have 85 degrees. Now that I've labeled all three thermometers, I'm going to match my time. 95 degrees. Does A match?
Maybe.
Maybe. Does B match?
No.
No. Does C match? No. So my answer is A. Good job.